is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in easily on your PlayStation 4 to the network with the PlayStation app on your phone. So if you're not able to sign in or prompt this to sign in, if you go to What's New and press down on the D-pad, it'll prompt you to this login screen. Otherwise you can go over to PlayStation Store. It will bring you to this same page. Just press X on it or go up to Settings and go to Account Management. There's a sign in option right here. So once you get this page open up, you want to go to your phone and go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And you can see, since I have it on my phone, it already is popping up saying, would you like to sign in? All you have to do is hit approve. So go to the Google Play Store. Let's do that now on my phone. And then go to search and then just type in PlayStation app. So let's go to it, PlayStation. And get this application. Open this and then sign in with the email address and password under here. Then we can go to settings to scan this QR code. Scan QR code. Bring this over it. Go to approve. So let me just go to approve. Oops, I accidentally went to deny. Alright, now it's going to sign me in. And it's very easy to do. Now in the future, if this logs you out, so let's go to log out on the top. And I'm going to log back in with the phone very easily. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So let's go to the sign in now. Watch on my phone. It's going to prompt me and it'll say, did you log in? Yes. Let's go to approve. It'll sign me in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.